Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Elizabeth, and if you just joined me, we're doing cleaning motivation videos, laundry motivations, and grocery hauls. So today, it's been a long time guys since I shared with you a laundry folding video, so I just felt I should just share with you when I'm folding my laundry today, which you know I always do it on a Saturday because I avoid to do it on Sunday because I need to just be resting and get ready for Monday and the rest of the week. So if you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing to this channel. English is going to England right now, and put that bell on so that you don't miss any of my uploads. I do normally upload on Monday 9 o'clock and Friday 9 o'clock also. Those are my schedules, so be sure that you put that bell on. So right now, let's get down into folding the laundry and enjoy.
And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's float for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And now we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it. Slow, where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me.
Roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. life is happy, but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.
I've come to the end of this video and I hope you got inspired. So it is so satisfying, and thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Light is gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand.